Hi guys, Jeremy here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create image sliders in GoHighLevel for your websites and funnels. It's super easy and it only takes a few minutes. We're going to cover everything step by step, so even if you're a beginner, you'll have no trouble following along. But before we dive in, if you're new to GoHighLevel, I've got an exclusive 30-day free trial link in the description below. If you sign up with my link, you're going to get a 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14-day trial. On top of that, I'm going to provide you with access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, which will help you get started quickly and make the most out of the platform. Now let's get started. First things first, you're going to need a website where you can add an image slider. So make sure that you're on your agency sub account to start. In the left menu, click on the Sites tab to go to the site dashboard. And once there, click on the Websites section. If you already have a website where you'd like to add this image slider, you should see the existing websites listed here as soon as you land on the websites page. Now, if you don't have an existing website or you'd prefer to create a new one, don't worry, you can easily create one either from scratch or using a template. So let's walk through creating a new website. Click on the New Website button, then choose the From Templates option and hit Create. Now this will bring you to the GoHighLevel template library. Here, you're going to find a variety of pre-designed templates for your website. For this demo, we'll go with the second template, which is called Website Designer. It's a great modern look that's easy to customize. So go ahead and click on it, then hit the Continue button. It might take a moment for the template to load, but once it loads, you'll be in the website builder, ready to customize everything that you want. So here we are inside one of the website templates in GoHighLevel. Templates like these can really save a bunch of time, especially if you're just starting out and you want a professional look without having to build everything from scratch. They help you get up and running quickly with a solid foundation. Now, I want to add an image slider to make this section a bit more dynamic and visually appealing. Right now we have a static image here, but let's replace it with an image slider to make it more engaging and interactive for visitors. So this small change can make a huge difference in how your website looks and feels. It adds movement and draws the viewer's attention, making your content feel alive rather than static. To do this, head over to the top left corner, click on Elements, and scroll down a bit until you find the image slider option under the Media section. The Elements panel is where you'll find all of the different components that you can add to your page, such as text blocks, buttons, images, and more. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in building a great user experience, so it's worth spending some time familiarizing yourself with them. Just drag that slider element to where you want it, and in this case, right here, to replace the static image. I'll go ahead and remove the existing image, and now we've got our blank image slider ready to go. If you click on the slider element, you'll notice that it has a few slides already in there, but they're filled with placeholder images that we don't need. So let's delete these images to start fresh. After that, click on the Add Slide option to add a few empty slides. Now, let's fill these slides with some engaging images. Since this is a website design business, an idea that immediately comes to mind is showcasing different kinds of websites that we've built or examples of what we can offer. Now, this is a great opportunity to visually communicate the types of services that we provide without overwhelming visitors with too much text. So, I've got some images ready that I created earlier. They're just different types of websites, each labeled with their names. So let's go ahead and start with the first image. To add an image to the image slider, select the slide that you want, like slide 1, slide 2, and so on. Then click on the image upload icon in the slider item section below the slides. Now you have a couple of different options for adding images. You can use GoHighLevel's built-in drive, generate images using AI, or simply upload from your computer. Now for this demo, let's just hit the upload button to upload images from our computer. Choose the image and then upload it. And once the images are uploaded, you can select each one for each slide, depending on how many slides you have. Just double click on the image image to add it, and there it is. It's added to the slider. The cool part is that you can adjust the size of the image to fit perfectly within the slider. Right now, the text doesn't fit into the box completely, so I'll scroll down to find the size settings and adjust it to 300. That looks good, but remember that you can play around with these settings to get the exact look that you're going for. Now, once you have all of the slides in place, there's something else that I want to point out. Each slide has an option to add a CTA, or a call to action link. Now, this means that if someone clicks on a specific slide, they can be redirected to another page with more information. Now, this is incredibly powerful because it not only showcases your content, but also encourages visitors to take action. For example, if you have slides that feature different website projects, you could link each slide to a detailed page about that specific project. Now, this way, you're guiding visitors to explore more of your content without them needing to search for it. So to add a CTA, just copy the link and paste it in the CTA link field. Another great use for the CTA, or the call to action feature, is promoting special offers or limited time deals. For instance, if you're offering a discount on website design services, you could create a slide that highlights the discount and link it to a sign-up page. So think of the slider as more than just a visual element. It's a way to strategically guide users towards actions that benefit both them and your business. All right, now that everything is set up, I'm going to click Save and preview what our slider looks like. It just takes a couple of seconds to save, and we're ready to go. So let's click on Preview and see how it turned out. I'll scroll down a bit, and there it is. Our brand new image slider looks great. Now, you can scroll through the slides smoothly, and it loops infinitely, which adds a sense of movement and keeps your website feeling active. One more thing that I want to mention is the overall flexibility of the image slider. So you can adjust things like the transition speed, the direction of the slide, and even add animations to make it more eye-catching. The ability to customize these settings allows you to create a unique browsing experience that matches the vibe of your brand. For example, if your website is for a yoga studio, you might want to slow down the transitions speed to create a more relaxed feel. On the other hand, for an e-commerce site, a faster transition speed with bold animations might be perfect to create excitement and urgency. GoHighLevel makes it super easy to adjust these settings so that you can create something that really fits the mood and the style of your website. It's these small touches that can make a big difference and help set your site apart from others. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, we've added a beautiful image slider to our website. Now, you can use this same process for any of your funnels as well, since both use the same builder. Now, this is a quick way to add some extra visual appeal to your pages and make them more interactive for your visitors. The ability to customize these sliders, add links, and create an interactive experience really helps elevate the overall look and feel of your site, making it more likely that visitors will stay longer and explore more. And that's it for this video. Thanks for sticking around, guys, and I hope that this tutorial helps you create some awesome image sliders for your website or funnel. If you're new to GoHighLevel and you want to explore all of its powerful features, don't forget to grab my exclusive 30-day free trial link in the description below. Plus, you're going to get access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course to make the most out of your journey. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more GoHighLevel tutorials. And let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.